In this brief video, I'll demonstrate how to enable quick feedback in a course in e-learning. Basically, how to enter feedback for the student assignments and forums and such in various learning activities directly from the Gradebook. Now, this is not traditionally the way to do it. Basically, the feedback, it's best to enter it from within the assignment and see the other tutorials for that, but however, there are cases where a faculty wants to do this from the Gradebook. So if we go here under the Gradebook, and let's say for whether assignment 1.6 here or the forum here, let's say we wanted to enter a grade, but then also enter comments right next to it. Currently we can't do that. So to change it so that the comments field shows up, we need to go under the Setup tab and then go under the Preferences, Grader Report tab here, and then scroll down under the Show Quick Feedback. Then click on Yes, and then press Save Changes. So this is under the General area and then Show Quick Feedback. Note that this change will be taking place then for all courses under your account. So now notice if I go to enter the grade here under this specific forum, and I want to put let's say 94 for the student. Now next to it in the same column under the same assignment, I have an area that I can post the comments. Then hit enter, and now the comments have been entered along with the grade. To see the comments, obviously you'll have to click on the actual field here, and then the comments will be displayed as well. Remember, in this case you're actually locking the grades in the Gradebook, so you're kind of overriding the grades basically. So if you go back to the assignment and change the grade from there, that grade is not going to be changed here. Remember also that this is not best practice, but it's a quick way to enter grades and feedback at the same time for students. Now, if we wanted to go back and check the feedback for Hubert here, we go to the very far left and click on this little icon here for grades, and then you'll see this is how the Gradebook will look on the student side of things, and this is where the feedback will be posted for that particular student.